Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here with another video. Today I am sharing a simple recipe of homemade chicken steak with white sauces and veg. Let's start making chicken steak. So the main ingredients of today's chicken steak are chicken fillets, black pepper, white pepper, salt, garam masala, yogurt, cream, garlic, ginger paste, chili flakes, oregano, basil leaves, black pepper, steak powder choice, not compulsory. Let's start cooking. Firstly, we beat the chicken fillets to make it tender and juicy. Then we added all the spices and yogurt and mix them well. Then we marinate the chicken fillets in yogurt and leave this for 1 hour. Then we made white sauce. For white sauce we add 2 tablespoons of butter and melt it on low flame. Then we added 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and then cook it for 1 minute. Then added cream and mix well. Then add chili flakes, oregano, basil leaves, black pepper and little salt and cook this for 5 minutes. When you feel that all the spices are well cooked in cream, then turn off the stove and set it aside. Then preheat air fryer for 5 minutes at 180 Celsius. Now add chicken in air fryer, then set the temperature 180 Celsius and time for 10 minutes. Now yummy chicken steak ready to serve with veggie. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.